Hello everyone, my name is Nick and welcome back to episode 4 of Instagram Basics. Now we all try things for the first time, and for those Instagram beginners, this is what you need. Our first episode we covered how to upload a feed post. Our second was how to upload an IG story. Our third episode was how to go live on Instagram. And now for the fourth, I'm gonna show you how to make an Instagram reel. TikTok knockoff. All right, let's get into it. Now, the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is open up Instagram again. Now, there's a couple different ways you could do this. You could scroll through all the Instagram Reels. It's the middle button at the bottom. Kind of see which one that you wanna do, which audio that you like the most, and you can kind of do your own version, or you can create something that is completely unique. You could click the top left button again, and then when you're gonna do that, you're gonna go over one from story to reels. Then you could find which audio that you want, and then you can preview it, and then you're gonna click it. Okay. Don't copyright me. So you're gonna do that, and then you could start making the reel itself. You could do it in camera, which you can just start recording yourself dancing or doing whatever you want, and then the music will be overlaid on that. Or you could use a clip that you already have inside your camera roll. Now for demonstration purposes, I'm gonna use the one that we already have inside the camera roll. So for this, I found some cool audio that I wanna use. You can click the audio that you wanna use. So click the original audio, and then from there, you just say, use audio. Sorry, it took me a second. And then you're gonna click whichever clip that you want to use. And it went like... Perfect. Now I'm gonna add it to that. I'm gonna click next. You could find, you could trim it if you'd like. And then after that, you just write a caption. What I see versus my camera sees. And then after that, you're gonna click share. You could save to draft, and then it'll save it for you. Very similar to TikTok. But let's just say I want to, okay. Oh yeah, also you can choose which cover you like. So I'm gonna use that cover right there. And then now I'm just gonna click share. Cool, and there we go. I officially have a reel and one like. Also, make sure to always double tap your own post. And yeah, that's all I got. If you have any questions about this, make sure to throw them in the comment section down below. If you like this video and you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe. I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time. Peace.